about 300 years ago.
Right.
Can you imagine? Just think about this.
That's crazy.
And then you had the grass covering here.
Wait,
So
for
walls-
real? The house was built 300 years
it was
ago?
built 300
That's
years
crazy.
Ago. It was renovated like I think. So we have the process. We're going to try and spray everything. Initially, we're going to spray water.
We're going to do yellow.
And
Then we decided.
To the store. Went to Priscilla. That's our own like Walmart or.
Yeah, that's our.
What's the name of this depot? Home Depot.
Home Depot. That's our Home Depot.
When
Shout out Walmart. Shout out Home Depot. Chrome spray. So we've cleaned all the dust off now.
Yes.
That's what I'm thinking. We need to cover that. Let's try. Okay. Something is happening. Okay. No one seems. Very skinny. Do we need any covering?
I think we can take the whole thing, right? We have enough that we can. It's beautiful. It's glistening in the sun. Oh, I mean, like
And there was like
night and day, literally.
compared to this.
Yeah,
Like,
no,
and then
honestly.
when you compare it to the green, you know this is the fabric.
Yes.
Fabric is right
So
here.
far.
This is the fabric. So far.
Yes.
It's right here. So it's going to work.
Yes, it will. No, regardless. Yeah.
Okay, no wala.
This is before, and this is after, and this is just one coat.
So I'll tell you like
The house.
no, of course, I have it soon.
All right.
So you see, story of Islam. You don't have to name Islam because Islam is from a house, and that house was built about 300 years ago.
Right.
Can you imagine? Just think about that.
That's crazy.
And then you had the grass covering here.
Wait,
So
for
walls-
real? The house was built 300
Yeah,
years
it was
ago?
built 300
That's
years ago.
crazy.
It was renovated like I think the last renovation was 5 years ago, and there was a renovation like 50 years before that. So I think these lights were put 85 plus 50 years ago.
These
So-
lights are older than everybody here.
Yes. So we're just trying to see how we can repurpose them and for them to use them in an industrial way. We're going to spray it again. I think I'll just leave it like this.
Love it.
Nice.
So how many do we need?
How many do we have here?
We have
4.
4. Actually, we have 5 here.
Let's do all 5.
Okay.
And then
We'll figure out where to put them.
see what else we need to spray. We can figure out a way to hold this up.
Very handy having a pocket knife.
Yes.
A Swiss knife, like you call them.
Okay, we didn't even try the lacquer. Oh, it's hot, sir. Oof. Let's try the lacquer. See what's going to
Happen. I mean,
I see see,
It
it's
looks
like
shinier.
yeah, but it's losing the metallic finish, right?
It's a bit duller, right?
Like if you
compared
compare
to
it
this.
to this one.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, that looks shinier. So we mean
This
not.
is like chrome.
This is more chrome.
chromish.
Yeah, and that's just like a
Because
dull
applied
silver.
lacquer, yes.
Okay, so now we know.
Maybe when it dries, it will change. Who knows?
Yeah,
So let's just
see.
keep applying.
This literally right here has saved us how many? Saved us a lot of money.
To buy the type of lights we wanted to buy, each one would be like 85k. So it's 5k times 5. Do the math. Yes,
That's crazy.
yeah, that's not easy maths to do.
No, but that's a lot of money regardless
Yeah,
that we've just saved
Yeah, that's like 100.
just by repurposing this. So DIY, guys, get creative. It's the way to go.
Hey, this one's lacquer. You'll see we've created the master class here.
Perfect.
Little bulb in here.
Beautiful. And when it's lit up,
We're going to turn it on, right?
it's going to be so cool.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I'm excited. So we found another light. It's supposed to be in the middle of the cafe, and
This is my problem with the light. It's not straight. See?
yeah,
See, it's bending. How
Yes.
would you say that that can be like normal? It is a straight line. It's straight. Down. What's wrong with the thing? So let's just spray.
spraying time.
Ooh. No, this is going to be clean.
Yeah, too close. Move back. Nice.
All right.
It's giving Banksy. Are you Banksy?
Is it Banksy? Not Banksy. What's the name of my guy? Sloan. You know Sloan. He's giving Sloan. I think we've done the madness.
This is a brand new light now. I hope it didn't touch the bulb.
I thought about that, so don't touch it. Leave it now. No, you just spray. No, you just spray.
That one is dropping a bit. Too close.
This one.